Michelle Keegan has delighted fans by showing off a brand new hairstyle, replacing her trademark side parting with an ambitious new fringe. The 36-year-old actress is still best known to millions as Coronation Street character Tina McIntyre, a role that she quit on the ITV soap a full decade ago in 2014. But while Michelle has continued to clock up acting gigs in a number of projects including comedies and action flicks, she has also built a successful side hustle as a designer and model. The actress is a longtime collaborator with fast fashion company Very and has been showcasing their summer collection in recent days. The star took to social media this week to share photos and videos of herself modeling a number of collections and fashion pieces. But while fans were delighted by the clothes she was wearing, many were also thrilled to see her sporting a new hairstyle. Taking to Instagram as the week came to an end, Michelle shared a number of images of herself showing her caramel brown locks flowing around her shoulders while her fringe had been cut into a handsome style. Showcasing the designs, Michelle wrote online, "Finale we're in May. Time to prep the summer wardrobe with some dresses." She also spun around in one frock while lamenting, "This dress makes me want sunshine and a sangria in my hand." Fans were quick to shower the star with compliments, taking to the comments section of her most recent post to gush over her new look. One fan adoringly typed the word, "beautiful," and another gushed, "how absolutely fabulous." While fans clearly enjoy seeing Michelle modeling new clothes and hairstyles, many others are desperate to know what she will do next in terms of her acting career. Earlier this year there was speculation that the former Corrie star could play a Bond girl in a future 007 action-adventure. Experts at Gambling.com were quick to suggest Michelle could be cast in the next Bond film, with their entertainment commentator James Leafield reporting that Michelle had gone from third favourite at 5/2 to second favourite, with odds of 7/4, in just weeks after her role on Netflix Fool Me Once. While fans will need to wait to find out how likely a role in the blockbuster series is, they might not have too long to wait to see Michelle back on screens. She is listed in the cast of an upcoming episode of the Stan original series 10 Pound Putts, which is a drama about Brits moving to Australia in the post-war era. Michelle is listed in the cast as a character named Kate Thorne. Comedy fans will also see Michelle back as her character Erin Croft in Sky's series Brassic. The show is due to return to screens this year with an impressive 6th season. The show has won a string of awards since it first aired in 2019, and has been BAFTA-nominated numerous times. Follow Mirror Celebs on TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.